What's going on, guys? Thank you for tuning into another episode. Excuse my voice, I'm really sick, but I don't care. I'm gonna still make videos for y'all. Bro, who cares? In today's video, we're actually gonna be fixing something that I accidentally did. Don't do this if you guys are bagging your car. I got really lazy, so don't follow my footsteps, y'all. I make content for you guys to enjoy, not for you guys to follow what I do. But let's check out what I did wrong, and then let's fix it so that we don't cause any more problems. But bruh, what is that? Let's move a little bit, bro. Whoa, oh, yo. Sorry, bro. Go back here. Got my car. Okay, yeah, get off. You gonna live. Move. All right, now that that enemy's out the way, let's I'm gonna show you guys what I did wrong. But bro, my car's hella dirty. All right, so it looks good, right? Yeah, looks good. No, it does not look good because look. Oh man, yeah, I messed up. I put 3M tape to see if it actually hold, like right here in between, but it didn't. This side held. Like that's fine. Like it's pretty sturdy, but it's already on the verge of like falling off. This side, that too, but yeah. Luckily, I had zip ties so that it didn't fall onto like the compressor or the management, so that's good. But yeah, I don't think I'd 3M tape anything ever again because bruh, that is bad. Yeah, so right now we're actually just gonna put on the floor. I don't need all this trunk space right now, but we'll put on the floor so you can just chill there. The 3M tape's already gonna be at the bottom, so it's gonna stick to the wood. And then whenever I go home, I could just bolt it up again, or actually bolt it this time so that it doesn't do this, you know? So let's get today's video started. Let's take this off and let's fix it. That was easy enough. I mean, we just wasted one Build Humbly sticker, but yeah, it looks good to me, bro. But yeah, so we're gonna keep it like this just for now. I know it doesn't look super clean, and I could probably make it a little cleaner, but I just wanted this to honestly be stable. So now that it is stable, we have to worry about it mounts in place a lot better, and it actually sticks to the wood quite well. So got that done. And I know some of you really like that wood setup that I did, and I want you to know that whenever you see a video, sometimes it doesn't look as clean, you know? So I'm gonna show you guys the imperfections of the wood setup, and then I could let you guys know that I am gonna be fixing it, and that Miley Cyrus says nobody's perfect, bro. So yeah. So with this wood right here, as you can see, there's gaps, you know? There's gaps here. The wood isn't really like perfectly lined up because it's the lines up there are actually like pushing it up and down, so not gonna be perfect. As you can see right here, like that looks like ass. But yeah, there's actually rubber lining that I can get at like Home Depot or Lowe's that I will be putting onto this car, just so that it actually like looks clean and then you can't really see the cuts. And it's gonna be pretty cheap, so it's not gonna be too expensive in terms of getting it to look a lot nicer. And I know a lot of you guys have been saying to put LED strips right here, which I'm really thinking about. I might buy a new set, or I could just use the set that's in my wheel well. If you guys haven't seen my cheap interior DIY lights, then I'm probably just gonna use that. It was like 10 bucks. And honestly, I could just like wire it up back here because I barely use it in there. And if I could just have it look dope in the back, I think I'd rather prefer that. But also an update. My compressor from Bag Riders also did get replaced. They are shipping it later this week, and my Build Humbly shirt is coming in tomorrow. Other than that, I know you guys want stickers, and I know I've been lagging, so I'll actually post up the stickers very, very soon. I'm just like really lazy, honestly. Like, I could have totally put it on like when I first got it, but it's been like 2 months since I got the stickers, and I still haven't put it up or given it to anybody other than those who have been helping me like in person. And I don't know if this video is gonna be really short. I feel like it really is. I just wanted to show you guys that I did fix my trunk setup. But one of the things I really wanted to address is the fact that I went bags, and why I went bags. For me, I really like stance cars, but I also like functional cars as well. So me being bags was like a no-brainer because I could be functional, air up, or I could be stupid low and just park. For me, I don't really like driving really low because I don't want to mess anything up. And I probably could drive really low now that I'm on bags, but what I prefer to do is I still like to have like a 1 finger gap when I drive, and then when I park I just, you know what I'm saying? I think after this experience with Airlift and their products, I don't think I could ever go back to coilovers. I mean, for the EK that I know I've been like lagging on, that I'm supposed to be tracking, I will keep that on coils just because it is going to the track. And I know a lot of the bag riders out there are gonna be like, bro, you could track with bags, but I'd rather not mess that up because I don't want to mess up actual bags on the track and then like be aired out all the way, rather than having like a set of coilovers that are gonna perform and that won't pop or break as easily as bags would. So far, I've honestly been enjoying the bagged experience. It makes things super easy. I've only had one problem, which was that air leak in the last video, but we already got that fixed just because it wasn't plugged into the management like tightly. So other than that, like everything is like perfect, man. Like it airs up, airs down. If you add stuff to your car, obviously you're gonna want to recalibrate it again. Like for me, since I'm so new to bags, like I didn't know I had to recalibrate it to my exhaust when I had it on. That's why I kept airing back up when I would air out. But now that it's calibrated and knows it's there, so it'll air out like perfectly fine. But yeah, I also have some news, you guys. This week I might be buying my dream wheels. I've been telling you guys what my dream wheels have been. I've told a lot of my friends what my dream wheels have been, and these 3-piece wheels was just like the wheel that I wanted, just so that I could build it to specs so that it'll look dope on the car. But if I'm able to pick up my dream wheels this week, I definitely will be selling my 3-piece wheels, as well as my Volks. The Volks that I have on right now, the Volks are obviously they're Volk Racing CE28Ns. They're 18x9 plus 35. If you're buying it for your Civic, don't be fooled because the front looks good, but it's because it has a 15mm spacer up front, so it's basically making it offset 20. But in the back, it's still offset 35. Anybody wants to buy it, you guys are more than welcome to hit me up on the DMs on Instagram. The price that I want to sell my Volks for is going to be $1,500. I am firm on that price. It's not going to come with the tires because I will be swapping my tires to my dream wheels. So when I do get my dream wheels, I will be posting up my Volks for sale, but they are for sale. $1,500 firm. Like, you guys don't understand, bro. These are Volks, bro. Forged. They're in a decent spec. Like, you guys are going to be good. Run meaty tires, bring it to the track, come home. You guys won't regret it. I think at this point, I'm pretty sure I'm going to get my dream wheels, so I'm going to tell you guys now. My 3-piece wheels that I did get are Work VS SS's. If you guys don't know, it resembles my dream wheel from Work. So if you guys can see the difference of what the Work VS SS's are compared to like in their lineup, then you guys will know what my dream wheels are. And they're going to be coming here soon. They're 18x8 plus 38. I think the lips are 2 inches and the barrels are 6 inch. So if you guys want like dope little project to rebuild wheels, you guys can, because this has like the backspacking of 6-inch barrels, which are like really small, so that you can just manipulate the lip to however fat you want it. For me, with this car, I was gonna go with like a 4-inch lip, making it 18x10. So like I said before, when they get here, I'll let you guys know, and then you guys can hit me up on the DM, and then we can meet up and you can buy the wheels. When I buy my dream wheels, I'll post up really detailed pictures so that you guys know what you guys are going to be getting in terms of the product, which are my wheels. And then we can set up a date, meet up spot, I get paid, you get wheels, and we could both be happy. So yeah, I think that's enough for me talking. I hope you guys like this video. I know it's really short, but I really wanted to push out a video for you guys, like a little update video, as well as me fixing the bag setup in my car. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button. It only takes like 0.5 seconds. It does help. Make sure you guys subscribe. If you guys are new, my name is Royce. I have a 2006 Civic Si that I'm building basically to be a show car at this point, but I want to go boost it as well next year. But yeah, also have a track EK coming out 2019, 2020, I don't know. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys for the support. I see you guys always hitting me up on Instagram, and I'll always reply back, or I'll try to at least. And I like you guys' comments on YouTube, so make sure you guys hit comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure you guys build humbly, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Peace. Bye.